You know how a balloon animal feels, soft, round, and if you press too hard, it squishes. That's what happens to many head drawings. They look flat and mushy. But here's the thing, most artists don't realize they are doing it until it's too late. And fixing it is surprisingly simple. Let's study the three-quarter view first. Add the chin plane, then draw a line from the ear to chin. Connect the hairline to the top of the ear. These are your side planes. Block in the base of the nose as flat shape. From the brow bridge, connect the sides. This forms trapezoid-like eye sockets. Do the same for the mouth area. Add a line from the cheek to the ear, midway between the jaw and the mouth. That's the primary plane. Big shapes that defines the structure. Now, refine them into secondary planes. Smaller shapes inside the big one. What we get is called a head plane. Here is the only rule involved in making this. Any main mass, forehead, cheeks, or jaw, should read as three visible sides. First, select the bigger mass, like the whole head, and divide them into three parts. Then move to the smaller masses, like the nose or cheeks, and do the same. Now you might be wondering, why does this matter? Head planes give the head solidity, so it doesn't look soft or undefined. If your drawings feels too smooth, planes make them sharper and more believable. They also keep your head accurate in perspective. Let's revise the concept again with the front view. Draw the Loomis head and place the ear as your guide. Draw one line from chin to top of the ear and another from ear to hairline. Nose, three plane, front, bottom, side. Eye socket, same idea. Connect the edges. Forehead and cheeks also breaks into three parts, fading into shadow at the edges. Let's complete the top area of the head. Here are the three parts of the forehead we have been talking about. The same applies to the cheeks. Let's complete the mouth using the same method of dividing planes into three. And this time, complete the eyes. If you want, you can further divide the individual masses of the eye into three parts. It's up to you. In the side view, most of what you see is one big side plane with smaller planes for features. And the number 3. It's everywhere. Front, side, top planes. Light, mid-tone, shadow. Once you see this, you can turn a head from any angle, no reference needed. The catch with the side view is that you have to imagine the mass in 3D and remember that not all the three sides will be visible at once. So anticipate your plane formation accordingly. Challenge. Draw head plane from memory 5 different angles today. The more you do it, the more natural it feels.